China EV Post is reporting that Xpeng is set to unveil the updated 2025 G6 SUV in just 2 days, on February 28. The live video stream of the event will start at 2 p.m. Beijing time. Xpeng CEO Xpeng says the facelift is more than just a routine update, with 34% of key assembly parts replaced and a total of 81 areas improved. The G6, which competes with Tesla's Model Y, is currently priced between $27,560 and $38,800 in China. One of the most notable changes is the possible removal of LiDAR, as regulatory filings for both the G6 and the larger G9 SUV made no mention of the feature. Last year, the G6 played a crucial role in boosting Xpeng's sales, with 54,463 units delivered, making up nearly 29% of the company's total deliveries. As Xpeng pushes forward with its 2025 lineup, all eyes will be on the February 28 reveal to see how these updates position the brand in an increasingly competitive market. You are listening to Yuan News.